I'm just about ready for Christmas Eve dinner with my family. My makeup, my hair is kind of curled already from yesterday, so I'm just gonna touch it up, but I'm just gonna do my makeup. This headband doesn't look half bad. I've been trying not to wear makeup the last few days that I've been at home because I want my skin to breathe, and I really enjoy not wearing makeup. My skin feels so much better afterwards. I didn't have the opportunity to paint my nails. I was watching a marathon of Fuller House on Netflix this morning. I just kept hitting next episode, and didn't do my nails. Although I could have watched it and did my nails at the same time, but I just was cuddled up with Merlot and didn't want to get up. This is my final outfit of the day. I just have my hair slicked back and curled on the bottom. I probably could have done something a little bit cuter or more intricate with my hair if I had a little more time, but I kind of have to go now. I'm wearing a black tank top that's from Walmart with this satin red top from Dynamite. I think it is so pretty. It is satin with a little tie around and the bow. I thought it was so festive. This necklace is from H&M. It's all one piece. It's a really sparkly tiered necklace. I have my Daniel Wellington watch on, which is black leather with little crystals on it. I'm wearing my Pandora ring, my chipped nails that I wanted to change. And then on bottom, I'm just wearing black pants. These are from Citizen of Humanity, and red snowflake Christmas socks. And this is the finished Christmas Eve outfit. Merry Christmas! It is Christmas morning and I just finished getting ready. We're doing Christmas lunch with the family, but I just wanted to fix my nails. So I think I'm gonna do this red shade, which is Read It Online by Sally Hansen. But, ooh, this is really pretty. It's like a snow sparkle from OPI. I could potentially put that on top. Vlogmas with a little bit of a haul of some of the things that I got for Christmas. I know these videos are very popular. I just wanted to kind of throw it in at the end of this vlog because I didn't want to make too big of a deal of it. I love the holidays and gift giving is just a part of it. So my last video you will see what I gave for Christmas, and these are a few of the things that I got. A lot of them I bought for myself. I just kind of threw them in here, but I will get started. The first thing is this fuzzy blanket that I've been waiting to open over the last few days until I film this haul. It matches my decor perfectly. It is from Indigo and it's so fuzzy and it has like a plaid on the inside. I love it so much, and you can never have too many throw blankets. That was from my brother and his fiance. They also got me a rice cooker, which I already used. The box got a little bit damaged. A rice cooker is something that you don't think that you need, but when you have one, it is the best thing ever. I do tend to make a lot of rice with some of my meals, especially when I'm meal prepping or even cooking quinoa inside of the rice cooker. And in my last apartment, I had very limited cupboard space, so I didn't get an extra appliance that would have been a rice cooker when I can just make rice on the stove, because it's not a hard thing to do. It doesn't take a scientist to make rice on the stove. But I've already used my rice cooker and it is life-changing. It makes it so easy, even though rice is already really easy to cook. You just kind of pour it in, plug it in, press on, and you can forget about it. So it's honestly a life-changing appliance. Now that I have more cupboard space at this condo, I'm able to have a rice cooker now, and that was a great gift also from my brother and his fiance. Moving on, another life-changing gift, and this is the Tangle Teaser. I actually needed a new hairbrush and my aunt got this for me, and it is life-changing. Stay tuned for a get ready with me when I actually use it. Update, I am about to, oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. How does it even, wow. So I've always been one to, when my hair is wet and trying to brush it out, I always kind of start at the bottom and work my way up because I don't want to rip out all my hair. Oh my god, this is amazing. It's so smooth. How does it do this? Wow, I feel like I'm going to rip out a lot less hair. Wow. This is life-changing. Get yourself Tangle Teaser and get it on Amazon. Link down below. My hair was like not dealing today, so it's up in a bun. I honestly don't really like filming with my hair in a bun because then I feel like when I'm editing it, I'm always looking back and hating it. But let me know in a comment down below if you've ever tried the Tangle Teaser and if it has changed your life, because I heard it's life-changing. My aunt also got me this handmade custom ornament for my Christmas tree, which was so special to me this year, and it says Condo Owner 2018, so it marks the year that I got my condo, which is was a huge milestone for me, something I was working towards for a very, very long time, and it just seemed like such a big goal to me. And so having that memory on my tree in a beautiful handmade ornament is so special. Another thing that I have here in this pile that was kind of tucked under some other things, also from my brother and his fiance, is a bottle of Fiji water, which is definitely an inside joke between us, and it's just so funny. They got me the big one this time. Got a toque with a pom-pom on it, and I definitely should have wore this instead of putting my hair in a bun. I got a hot water bottle that is like a fuzzy penguin, and it's so cute and like cuddly, and you can fill it with hot water. My mom got me this. A few other things. She got me it's from rw&co. I honestly think it is a nightgown, but she bought it with the intention of it being a bathing suit cover for our trip to Mexico. So it's just a cotton black dress, and then the bottom has like chiffon on it. It's really pretty and I like it a lot. I have so much black stuff and I just love wearing black. Ironically, I bought this piece for myself just before Christmas. It is a black chiffon, like businessy tank top from rw&co. It's part of their go-to line, and I also bought it in white, but the white one, they didn't have the size that I needed in stock, so they're mailing it to me. But I got these because my mother actually let me use her coupon. They send you a coupon for your birthday when you register with them. And so it was her birthday at the end of December. And she got a 25% off coupon that allows you to take 25% off of any of your purchases. So if you know me, I like to shop on a budget. Especially with rw&co, they always have such great deals, but their go-to items never are included in their sales, except her birthday coupon didn't have any exclusions to it, so she let me use her 25% off coupon to buy these tops that I had been eyeing forever because they're just so great to like put underneath a blazer or like a cardigan or anything for work. They are normally $39.90 each. I got 25% off, which is even sweeter. And then finally, the last thing that I got for myself, which is so exciting. I have a little bit of an obsession with puzzles over the holidays. I always do a puzzle every year over the holidays, so I got this one, which is a 1,000-piece, and this is the first 1,000-piece puzzle that I am attempting to do by myself. It's currently sitting on my coffee table. I've made some serious progress, but I love like the days in between Christmas and New Year's where you just like, you stay indoors and you kind of just watch movies and and relax. I love doing things like puzzles. So I know that's really nerdy, but I absolutely love this, and I'm having a great time. So those are the items that I got for Christmas. I'm very grateful for all of the gifts that I received, and I really enjoyed spending time with my family over the holidays, family and friends. So this marks the last video of Vlogmas, or my variation of Vlogmas. So thank you so much for watching and supporting all throughout Vlogmas, and I will continue vlogging, I think, weekly vlogs in the upcoming year, so stay tuned, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye! Happy holidays!